If you have one eggplant and egg, don't lose this recipe. It's so easy and fast for dinner or as an appetizer. Cut eggplant in round shape and mix it with some salt and set aside. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame and put the cuted eggplants and cook both sides until golden brown. In a small bowl, mix eggs, salt and pepper, and pour the mixture on the fried eggplants. Then put the lid and let cook completely. Finally, add some mozzarella cheese and after 2 to 3 minutes serve it.